Apple's game changers, iPhone SE 4 and Powerbeats Pro 2. Mark your calendars. February 11th might just redefine Apple's legacy. Rumor has it that Apple is set to stun the world with two new launches, the iPhone SE 4 and the Powerbeats Pro 2. Brace yourself for innovation, made affordable and specs that redefine value. Apple's events are always special, but this one promises something rare. It appeals to both tech enthusiasts and budget-conscious shoppers. So, what makes the iPhone SE 4 and Powerbeats Pro 2 the ultimate head-turners for 2024? Let's dive into the future Apple is about to deliver. Wondering how Apple could pack flagship features into an affordable device? The iPhone SE 4 is getting a significant glow-up. Sleekly designed to resemble the iPhone 14, this is more than your ordinary budget smartphone. It's beauty meeting brains at a price you'll love. The Touch ID you know? Say goodbye. The buzz suggests Apple is going all in with Face ID, and for good reason. Enhanced security and convenience come front and center. Plus, the shift to USB-C compatibility signals Apple's move toward industry-standard ease for all users. But wait, there's more! Apple's custom modem could revolutionize connectivity. Faster speeds, fewer drops, and better performance. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a leap forward. It's the ultimate device for those who want premium features without the flagship price tag. Apple could be doubling down on wearables greatness. The Powerbeats Pro 2 is rumored to combine top-notch audio with cutting-edge health tech. Heart rate tracking might just make fitness goals easier to achieve while delivering incomparable music experiences. These earbuds will cater perfectly to active lifestyles. Anticipate improved comfort and durability paired with the best-in-class sound Beats has always been known for. Imagine grooving to perfect bass while keeping pace with your heartbeat. Truly next-level integration. Noise cancellation? Check. Enhanced audio fidelity? Double check. With more hours of battery life possibly in the mix, the Powerbeats Pro 2 could dominate the earbuds market. This is hands-free tech designed to work as hard as you do while making life seamless. February 11th isn't just a product unveiling, it's Apple breaking barriers. This launch caters to emerging markets like China and India, redefining what value means in Apple's ecosystem. Both products challenge traditions while embracing Apple's hallmark of innovation. For price-conscious customers, the appeal is undeniable. Whether you're looking for a stylish, powerful phone or cutting-edge wireless earbuds, Apple's offerings could well be a game-changer. It's about reaching more people with products that are both aspirational and practical. Set your timers. Anticipation is building across the tech world for what could be Apple's most inclusive and groundbreaking launch yet. From the iPhone SE 4's stylish leap to the Powerbeats Pro 2's fitness smart tech, this event promises unrivaled excitement. Don't miss out! Be among the first to explore these innovations, share the buzz, and decide, are you ready to embrace the future?